Let's think about what happens when hundreds of people push their bodies to the absolute limit in a shared, enclosed space. It is a high-impact environment where breath and sweat are constantly shedding onto every available surface. When someone grabs a standard commercial spray bottle and a cloth, they aren't actually disinfecting anything. They are lifting the visible dirt while spreading a microscopic film of moisture and bacteria evenly across the equipment. This animated 3D model of a dumbbell handle tracks what that invisible film actually contains. We're looking at specific biological loads like MRSA, staph, and ringworm. Because gyms are warm, high-friction environments, this scatter chart shows their populations multiplying exponentially over just a 2-hour window. Now watch what happens when we apply a clinical benchmark. This steep drop-off happens when facilities adopt AS 4187.6. It's a standard designed for cleaning and disinfecting health-adjacent facilities, adapted here to instantly neutralize the bacterial load rather than just pushing it around. To genuinely protect the people sweating on these floors, fitness centers must abandon generic janitorial routines and start treating their spaces with clinical-grade infection protocols. That clinical approach starts by mapping the physical layout of the building. Generic cleaning checklists fail because they treat a treadmill exactly the same as a shower stall, completely ignoring the way people actually move and interact. This wireframe breaks the floor plan into 5 contamination zones: cardio, free weights, group studios, amenities, and reception. Each harbors a different biological profile. Dedicated crews isolate traffic. Standard cleaners drag bathroom contaminants to the gym floor, but zone specialization stops cross-contamination entirely. It also allows for highly specific scheduling. During peak hours, the biological shedding on the cardio floor happens so rapidly that the high-touch surfaces there require strict sanitation every 2 hours. By spatially engineering the cleaning process to match member behavior, facilities systematically neutralize biological threats before they ever have a chance to spread to another part of the building. But isolating the floor plan won't work if you are applying the wrong chemical agents. The disinfectants must be engineered specifically for gym materials. Off-the-shelf commercial cleaners actually eat away at rubber flooring and vinyl upholstery. This split-screen microscopic view shows what happens. The smooth, intact vinyl on the left breaks down into the heavily cracked surface on the right, creating thousands of micro-tears that perfectly shelter bacteria. To fix this, facilities rely on quaternary ammonium compounds, or QAATs. This graph tracks their active kill rate versus standard cleaners. The standard spray stops working immediately, but the QAAT formulation provides residual protection, actively killing bacteria for 4 hours after application. Sourcing these TGA-registered hospital-grade disinfectants is a serious requirement. A mid-sized gym spends roughly $1,490 per quarter just on these specialized agents to maintain genuine hygiene. Because these are clinical-grade chemicals, they require specific handling. Untrained staff spraying directly onto screens ruins electronics and creates dangerous slip hazards on the floor. Proper application of these products requires specific training, like precisely misting the chemical solution onto a microfiber cloth first, instead of directly spraying the equipment. Chemical selection is an exact science in these environments. Applying the wrong product actively creates a more dangerous, pathogen-friendly environment. You can't manage what you can't measure. Simply looking at a dumbbell to see if it appears shiny doesn't tell you if it's safe. True infection control relies on objective, recorded data. We measure the invisible biological load using ATP swab testing. It's a diagnostic tool that detects the cellular energy left behind by bacteria, skin cells, and sweat, giving a precise reading of exactly how clean a surface really is post-cleaning. This dual bar chart illustrates 50 facility audits. By combining zone-based cleaning with quaternary ammonium compounds, we consistently measure a 40% drop in bacterial counts. These ATP readings feed into digital QA checklists, translating microscopic data into transparent, time-stamped photographic evidence for objective reporting. When the invisible biological threat is systematically neutralized, the visible result is obvious the moment someone walks through the door. Members step into a pristine, clearly maintained environment where they feel completely safe. Adopting clinical-grade, data-driven hygiene protocols turns cleaning from a basic operational cost into a core strategy for member retention and liability protection.